Hello everybody, this is the 26th lecture for the IELTS. Okay, today we are taking an example for headings. We have list of headings. 1. Trying it yourself. 2. Buying the right ingredients. 3. Mixing your seafood. 4. Watching the experts at work. 5. A changing student base. 6. Rational for a seafood school. 7. Picking the fish for your fish. 8. How to enroll. 9. A range of levels. A. The seafood school, located on the fish market, first opened its doors in 1989 to provide advice to consumers on how to prepare a wide variety of seafood dishes at home. The school is now widely regarded as one of the country's leading cooking schools, with over 10,000 students a year attending classes. The answer for this one is 6. Rational for a seafood school. That means to give full information and why it is opened. B. The classes were initially aimed at the local residents who regularly shopped at the fish market, but more recently the school has found a market in teaching visitors from other states as well as from overseas. The suitable heading for this one is a changing student base. Why? Because at first they were aiming at local residents, but now they changed into overseas students, which means changing their student base, changing their aim, their goal, their target for the students. C. While fish dishes are still the main focus of most classes, recipes involving mussels, octopus, crabs, and lobster are also very popular. Asian flavors are in high demand, and one very popular class begins with a shopping expedition to Chinatown to find out where to purchase the best herbs and spices for each individual recipe. So, the answer here will be 2. Buying the right ingredients. Why? Because if you see here, very popular class begins with a shopping expedition to Chinatown to find out where to purchase. That means where to find the best herbs. D. All classes commence with a demonstration of how the dishes are prepared, as anyone who has ever observed a good chef knows it may look easy in their skilled hands, but to prove much more difficult at home. So it will be 4. Watching the experts at work. Why? Because it says here in the second line, as anyone who has ever observed a good chef knows it may look easy in their skilled hands but prove much more difficult at home. So it's watching the experts at work. E. This is where the seafood school is unique. After the demonstration, students roll up their sleeves. To roll up their sleeves, to put on an apron, and in groups of 5 recreate the dishes. So we have 3 points: roll up their sleeves, to put an apron, and to recreate the dishes they have just seen. So we have here the answer will be 1. Trying it yourself, because those 3 mean trying it. Okay. F. The seafood school conducts a wide range of classes for all degrees. A wide range of classes for all degrees of competency. That means number 9, a range of levels. Okay, Before we finish this lecture, when they ask us for headings, to match the headings for such small paragraphs, we just read the entire paragraph. We cannot decide from the first sentence most of the times because the paragraph is very small and short. It's consisted of 1, 2 or 3 sentences only. So in this case, we just read. Do not forget the entire paragraph to decide. Okay, that was Mr. Haidar ALcasseer with you. Wish that you could get the benefit of this lecture. Please, if you liked it, just press the button of subscribe. If you have any questions, ask the questions in the comments. If you have any criticism, write it in the comments too. Thanks for watching this lecture.